I'm Michael Kranitz. I'm a ScaleHeliPilot and also the founder of Own the Crowd software, the software behind ScaleHeliPilot.com. ScaleHeliPilot takes what you like about Facebook and forums and makes those features even better. The aim? Create the best online community for scale helicopter pilots worldwide. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you the features and functions that make ScaleHeliPilot.com so special. Let's dig in. The first thing you'll notice about ScaleHeliPilot.com is the center layout. Similar to Facebook, the layout highlights the most recent posts in a specific specialty or topic. Unlike Facebook, you can drill into specialties and topics to find exactly the content you're looking for. That's one of the things that sets this apart from Facebook and other social media platforms. Here is a post with a picture and a statement and a comment. And this post can be shared in a message on the system, on Facebook, or anywhere else with a link. So posting to ScaleHeliPilot.com is easy, and so is commenting. Everything is pretty familiar. Here's where it departs. On the left side, you'll see specialty filters. Those filters will enable you to drill into various manufacturers from Vario, Roban, Yakudovsky, engines, components, and models. And if you want information about a specific model, you simply click that model and the software will filter and show you all of the posts related to that model. But what if you don't want to look at all the posts related to the Llama? What if you're specifically interested in the main rotor setup, or the radio settings, or the gyro and stabilization systems? You can further filter by that, and the content will instantly display what you're looking for. And on the outside chance that those don't work, or there's too many posts in those two filter categories, you can search by keyword and find what you're looking for. How does this happen? It happens on every post. Let's click in and make a post. You'll notice there are a number of different post types. I'm going to cover the standard discussion post first, and then we'll look at the multi-chapter post, which is great for doing build stories. If we enter the standard posts, you will see that I can type whatever I want, and I can drag and drop images into the post. Let's do that. I'm going to drag an image of my 429. Here's another one, and you can see that dragging images into the software is very simple. Likewise, you can copy and paste a Vimeo or YouTube link and display video. Here's what makes this so special. When I go to make my post discoverable, I can select Bell and scroll down to 429. And then here, since I'm really not showing anything in particular, I'll probably post this either under flying, where I have flight video, forward flight, hovering, precision flight, etc., or more aptly in the pilot lounge. These are beauty shots and maybe general chatter. You can only select up to 2 topic filters. That keeps the site from being spammed, but you only have to choose one. So I'll settle on 1. Now, if I were talking about the engine inside the 429, I would say related to a non-model product, and I would write Yakudovsky Pro 5000. And our library picks that up and will pre-populate it. Now I'm ready to post. Look at that. The post is ready to go. If I click on images, I'll be able to cycle through the images that were just posted. And I could look at them in a grid. And now what'll happen is this is the most recent post, but somebody who doesn't care about 429s and just wants to see llamas will be able to filter that out, or somebody who only cares about 429s will be able to get that post along with all the other posts of 429s in the system. And again, I am free to filter on the right side. Now let's hit the build stories. These are really cool. A build story is a special kind of post that allows you to connect chapters to a single story. That means users can find your story and then all of the sequential posts that contributed to that story. When they mouse over the chapter numbers, they can see what that chapter's about and go directly to that particular chapter. It means that the comments and the chapter content will all remain organized inside the story, and you won't have comments from one chapter polluting another. The events area features a powerful searchable event calendar that allows you to search by distance and event type as well as sanction status. In the United States, the event calendar will be pre-populated with any AMA sanctioned event. When you find an event that you like, you can click into it, indicate whether you are interested in going or whether you are going, and you can go to a related posts page that allows you to view all posts that are related to that event. This connects all of your photos and videos from the event to one single event post. It makes it easier to find and easier to enjoy. In the clubs area of the site, any local club will be able to have its own presence on ScaleHeliPilot.com. Clicking into a club will show you all about the club's contacts, the club's events, any advertisements posted by members of the club, classified ads, a member list, and a Who's Flying list. The Who's Flying list is a cool feature. It lets you tell your friends when you plan to fly over the next 7 days. Just indicate morning, afternoon, or evening on any day, submit your flight plan, and everybody who follows your flight plans will get a notification that you're flying at those times on those days. On the club map, you'll see a green icon. Now, we'll change these to helicopters before we launch, but clicking on a green icon will reveal who is scheduled to fly at that location over the next 7 days. When you click on it, you'll see a list of who's flying at the club. Finally, we'll take a look at the buy and sell area. This is a standard classified ad system, but one that's dedicated to Scale Heli pilots. On the left side, you can filter what you're looking for by these categories and filter down the ads that you see on the display. You can also filter ads by distance. It is free to post ads, and you can post ads outside the Vario brand if you'd like. There'll be many changes to the site over the next few months and following the launch in May 2022. We will be adding support for French and German languages, as well as other features to make the site easier to use. We didn't cover file sharing today, and we did not cover articles today, but those are also part of the site. And pending launch, we ask all Vario team members to please contribute content to seed the site before it officially launches. Let's make ScaleHeliPilot.com the home for all Scale helicopter content online. Thanks for watching.